Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 can be an exciting endeavor. Here are some steps and considerations to help you get started and make your channel successful. Define your niche. Determine the topic or theme for your YouTube channel. It could be something you're passionate about, an area where you have expertise, or a combination of both. Choosing a specific niche will help you attract a targeted audience. Research your audience. Once you've identified your niche, research your target audience. Understand their interests, preferences, and what type of content they are looking for. This will help you tailor your content to meet their needs and engage them effectively. Develop a content strategy. Plan your content in advance to ensure consistency and quality. Consider the types of videos you want to create, such as tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or educational content. Create a content calendar to stay organized and maintain a regular upload schedule. Invest in quality equipment. While you don't need the most expensive equipment to start, investing in decent audio and video equipment will improve the overall quality of your content. Consider purchasing a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup to enhance the production value of your videos. Create engaging thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails and titles are crucial for attracting viewers to click on your videos. Design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your content, and craft compelling titles that pique curiosity and clearly convey what your video is about. Focus on video production. Pay attention to the production quality of your videos. Ensure good lighting, clear audio, and smooth editing. Use video editing software to trim unnecessary footage, add captions, and include relevant graphics or effects. Optimize your videos for search. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve the discoverability of your videos. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Write thorough descriptions and include timestamps to help viewers navigate your videos. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, questions, and feedback from your viewers. Build a community by encouraging discussions and interacting with your audience. This engagement will foster loyalty and encourage viewers to become subscribers. Promote your channel. Utilize social media platforms and other online communities to promote your YouTube channel. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Learn from analytics. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into your channel's performance. Monitor your metrics, such as views, watch time, and audience retention, to understand what content resonates with your viewers. Use this data to refine your content strategy and improve your videos over time. Stay consistent and persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay consistent with your upload schedule, and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep learning, improving, and adapting your content based on audience feedback. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. Stay true to your passion, provide value to your audience, and enjoy the process of creating content. Good luck with your YouTube journey in 2024.